Hi there. I just wanted to come on and quickly say that I'm trying a dry shampoo for the first time. I'm on day 4 of not washing my hair, and that's pretty normal for me because I do like to wait in between washes, but I'm excited to try. It's show you here, Kerotin. It's their dry shampoo, and it looks super easy to use, so I'm going to give it a try. My roots are a little, let's say, naturally oily, and that's normal. It's normal that our hair does that, but we have a little bit of defense. It's my first time using, so let's see how it goes. As you can see here on my roots, it's just a little, well, it needs some help, let's say. But you're supposed to just shake the product really good. Spray it in. It feels a little, you know, damp when you spray it in. Massage your roots. I'm massaging till it's kind of dry. And okay, so it says it's supposed to add volume. It's definitely adding volume to my hair. Look at that. Like, okay, well, you're not gonna go out like that, but if I left my roots as is, I wouldn't be able to get that volume. So let's give it a spray over here and see what it does over here. Okay, so it definitely gives volume. It definitely pulls the hair away from the scalp. There's no residue. There's no, I have really dark, naturally dark hair, and that's my roots. And you can't see it at all. It's not, it doesn't build up. I have had some hairstylists put some in, and you can see it. It looks like baby powder in the hair. This stuff, not at all. Let's see if we can pull this up a bit. As for the smell, it's kind of like, well, there really is no smell. It's kind of aerosol, clean smell. Again, I'm just finger brushing, but it does what it's supposed to do. Look at the lift that I'm getting in my hair. So what would take me an hour to wash my hair, dry it, blow it out, I can get fresh looking hair literally in a few sprays. So thanks, Kerotin. Look at this stuff. Like, I love their packaging. I love the pink. But Kerotin Dry Shampoo, a little dabble too, yeah. Oh, this is awesome stuff. Lifesaver. Thanks, Kerotin.